Hi there folks, it's a rather chilly Sunday and we're back at RAF Breton. Now all the green stuff's died back. I think I know where there's another air raid shelter to check out. So let's go have a look. Just on the perimeter track at the moment. So, as usual, just keeping an eye out for things. Now we did find an air raid shelter in these trees, and looking at some old maps, the possibility there's another, well, the remains of a building possibly, and another air raid shelter. So we just thought we'd come check it out. So the only evidence we've found of a perimeter track, like on this side. You know, they're lurking in the bushes somewhere. Anyway, today we're on the hunt for an air raid shelter and get out of this wind because it's bloody freezing. It's Sunday, so it's a small plain day again. Let's have a look in the trees, folks. This is try again. This is the dispersal point. I'll put a map up where we are now. So there's the air raid shelter, and this will, look, that's concrete. So I guess it was here. Yeah, what holes? Animal holes. So theoretically, if we can head in this direction, we should come across another air raid shelter. It's like water obstacle. The waterproof-ish. Should have been a stunt man. Yeah. It's not a sloppy surface at all. Yeah, we'll get to the end of this and find out it wasn't an air raid shelter, it was. Let's see if we can get into the bushes here. probably walked all this way for nothing. Scenic option. Ah, I know where we are. Sad looking tree. What's it like underfoot there? Might have paid off, folks. Oh, bollocks. Yes, there's definitely easier ways. A lot easier ways. Well, folks, we have an air raid shelter. What condition it'll be in, I don't know, because, well, depends how many people know it's here. If it's actually still intact. There's definitely something. I think well, there's something here. It might not be an air raid shelter. Yeah. Uh-huh.
Yeah, it might be at the one side of it, but there's the thing.
Oh yeah, yeah. So, I was right. We're at the wrong side of it. We can probably walk around the other side, to be fair.
I don't know.
Well, we can battle our way in. It could be flooded. It's very wet in this area. Bit hard to see it, folks, at the moment. It looks like the entrance is around the other side. See if we can battle our way in. Just battling our way in, folks. You can see it there. Not quite the same as what's on Rickle or any of the other Stantons we've seen, even the one on the yard. It seems to be of a slightly different style. Aeroplane taking off. I can see lots of black clouds, and I've put my washing out today outside. Yeah, and we're almost into this air raid shelter, folks. Dedication to see what's inside this air raid shelter. Yeah, try not to get too caught up. Hang on. There we go, folks. Oh yes.
Full of asbestos, I think. But it's intact. Don't know about in it.
Don't know what that is, folks. Can't see any.
That doesn't actually. That's not complete. That's not overly deep.
Yeah, I can't really light it up very well.
I'll take my light on my bag. I brought my on my bag with me.
You can probably just walk in the other end.
Don't say that. I can feel it very well. Is that better? That's 100%.
Oh yeah, yeah. Shine it down on the floor a bit. Yeah, probably about as much as we can see.
Don't look all deep. If that's the floor, which is cracked, or
No, I think it goes down a bit further.
or is that just rubble then?
Yeah. Is that electric in it? That looks like, oh, there's a plant. Oh, there's electric wires. Yeah, well, that's another air raid shelter on the list that's been seen.
Put some probably more cuts, I don't know.
Yeah, I've got a bramble stuck up my ass. And it's raining, so maybe we'll just wait here a minute.
Yeah.
Well, folks, it's raining. It's raining, folks. I think really we should probably make our way back to the car without going through the jungle. So if we get water on the lens, it's a thing, I'm afraid. Decided to take a bit of refuge, folks. We've covered this spot before. Yeah, it was a lot colder back then, but didn't have a big pile of shit in there. But it has been dug out. Oh yeah. Yeah. Yeah, there's probably an archaeological dig in itself there. So we'll just come round to this. Well, that's been cleaned off, hasn't it? Very much so. Seem to remember last time we had to battle our way into it. Can we take a look inside? Have to. All bent down at the bottom. Oh, no way. I don't know if you guys can remember those. The roughneck flask. Everybody in the 70s and 80s had one of those with the pack lunch at school. Let's take a look inside, folks. Yeah.
And that one.
Yeah, a couple of yeah. This was definitely electrical at some point. I would say a generator.
And now generator.
Generator or unless it was water. Could have been water pumping or electrical. Not quite sure.
The metal thing on this roof part.
Yeah. I don't know what they were for. But they kind of go out to that that compound. Rubbish in here. No graffiti anywhere of any type. Yeah, well, I'll have a look around the other side and see if it stopped raining. Classic. Yeah, there's like a little bit at the back as well, isn't there? Oh, where the hinge was. Yeah, I did notice that. And for some reason there's just a little... Oh, those pipes go upwards. Those tubes. So the ones that are falling on the floor, I don't know if you can see that, guys. And then there's another small... How weird. I'm not even sure what this thing was. Yeah, if I come to the top and show you what we can see. It's this. I'll have to go down there and take a look, folks. Yes, a very strange kind of structure. However, now it's been, well, it looks to have been dug out on the inside. We may find some more answers. So the other side of that enclosed part, I'm pretty sure this too could have been for generators, or maybe this was generated and the other side was something else. What are those tubes over there again, which no doubt go out, maybe do the same thing. Yeah. Another exit there, or it led into another part. What have we got around the corner? I know we've done this place before, but now they've dug that bit out, we might actually get some idea of what it was. And there's the other exit. Still raining. Car's parked about a mile away. How deep is this? Do I really want to walk in it? I'm just intrigued to what was in here. I have no idea. I'm also intrigued to how waterproof my boots are. Yeah. So this sign of an internal wall there, and there, and there, and there. The manhole covers, if you look from the top, come down and there's That tube work there. Concrete floor, folks. No idea. No idea, folks, what this was. Maybe had some kind of roof on it at some point. If you know, folks, chuck it in the comments. Oh, yeah.
Also, it's quite bad.
Yeah, maybe it was. So, if you know, folks, shoot one in the comments.
That's not bad for doing.
No,
It's a little tiny.
just as well, really. I think I've just found out how waterproof my boots aren't. Well, I ran out and stopped the little planes playing. I guess that bit's been resurfaced. This bit looks more original. It's wet, guys. It's a bit wet. Well, folks, it's raining, it's windy, and those trees are making some weird noises. So we're going to get off home. I'm going to turn the slow cooker back on and have some stew and dumplings. So, thanks for watching this short and probably crap video. Thanks for liking, subscribing and all that jazz. Catch you soon.